Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about multiplying decimals, and we're finding each product. So, if I was given these decimals, negative 7.5 times 9 times a negative 8.3, okay? Well, the first thing I'm going to deal with is just the first two numbers. We have 7.5 times 9, and I'm going to ignore the negative. So, 7.5 times 9. Okay, well 9 times 5 is 45, 5, carry the 4, okay, and 9 times 7 is a 63, so we have 63 there, plus 4 is 67, okay, so we have 67 right there. Now we know, alright, we have to move a place value for the decimal, right there, so we have 1 up here, so one place value there, 67.5. Now a negative times a positive is a negative, so we have a negative 67.5 here, and then we're going to multiply that by the negative 8.3. Okay? So now I'm going to do that over here. Ignore the negatives and apply them at the end. 67.5 times good old 8.3. Okay? Well, 3 times 5 is 15, 5 carry the 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 2 carry the 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Okay? So now we got to deal with the 8. Place value for the 3 right there. 8's right there. 8 times 5 is 40. 0. Actually, count these out. Carry the 4. Okay? 8 times 7 is 56 plus 4. Okay, 56 plus 4 is 60. 0, carry the 6. Okay, now we have 8 times 6 is 48, plus another 6 is 54. Okay, so we have 54 here. Everything's lined up good. Add these two numbers together. 5 and 0 are 5. 2 and 0 are 2. 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 5 is right here. Okay, so now we have a very large number, but we have to remember our decimals, okay? 2 decimal places were used, so we go over 2 decimal places, right? 1 for each of these numbers, okay? So bring that here. We have 560.25, and we cannot forget our negatives. At this point, we had a negative times a negative, which is always a positive. So final answer, positive 560.25. So quick recap. Okay, we were given negative 7.5 times 9 times a negative 8.3. Okay, I multiplied negative 7.5 times 9. I got negative 67.5. Brought down the negative 8.3. I multiplied negative 67.5 and negative 8.3, and got, because the negative times the negative is a positive, and moving our decimals, 560.2.